Some racing now. Sencity from the barn of champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes and Tomohawk, conditioned by 18-time champion trainer Wayne Acosta, are expected to fight out the I'm Satisfied trophy over the Circular 9 course tomorrow at Caymanas Park. Sencity has so far campaigned in the 1,000 Guineas and Jamaica Oaks, the two classics for fillies, in which she was beaten by stablemate Above and Beyond. Since Sencity's third place finish in the 1,000 Guineas and fifth place in the Oaks, trainer Anthony Nunes has now gone for the services of leading jockey and three-time champion Dane Nelson, who should use his powerful riding style to guide the Dark Bay filly to a long overdue win. The disappointing Tomohawk seems to have been coming too late in his 6 races this season, but come Saturday, the Wayne Acosta-trained Bay Colt could give his owners a long-awaited victory. Having competed against stronger opposition this season, Saturday's event will be one of his easier assignments in his last 6 races. He has also been working well coming into this race. Sencity and Money Monster are the two expected to provide any real threat. Post time for the I'm Satisfied trophy is 5:30 p.m. Over in the $1.5 million open allowance race over 5.5 furlongs, 8 of the island's best sprinters will be vying for the major share of the prize money. Patriarch from the barn of Fitzgerald Richards has beaten 5 of the 7 runners the last time they met on August 22, with Robert Halladine carrying 126 pounds and posting a fast 1 minute 4 4/5 to win by a head over Chase the Great and Universal Boss. Now with apprentice Ashane Nugent replacing Halladine, Patriarch will be slipping 7 pounds, and the 5-year-old Speedball should show them a clean pair of heels to win his 5th race from 6 starts this season. Two-time Caribbean sprint champion Chase the Great with Dane Dawkins should also be in contention at the business end, while a Universal Boss with Dick Cardenas and 110 pounds is light enough to turn the table on Patriarch. 2019 champion colt, the imported Stranger Danger, is back in competition after a 9-month layoff, and with female apprentice Abigail Abel riding, Acosta's American Charge is not expected to be a major factor. He has not shown much at exercise to indicate his state of readiness. Gary Crawford's American colt Action Run steps up in class after a hat-trick of victories, while Prince Charles, Cryptocurrency and Father Patrick complete the field. Post time for the event is 4:55 p.m, while first post for the 11 race card is 11:35 a.m.